Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Panther in Red Dead Redemption 2 online. First, you'll need to ensure you have the Naturalist role unlocked and leveled up. This legendary animal is one of the most sought after, requiring specific steps to encounter. We'll cover how to initiate the mission, where to track it, and what to do once you find this elusive creature. Get ready to add a unique trophy to your collection or earn some valuable rewards. To begin your hunt for the Ghost Panther, you must first reach Naturalist rank 5. This unlocks Harriet Davenport's legendary animal missions. Head to one of Harriet's camps, marked by a paw print on your map, and speak with her. She will offer a selection of missions, and the Ghost Panther mission will appear randomly among them. Be patient, as it might take a few tries to get the specific mission you're looking for. Once you accept the mission, a large yellow area will appear on your map. Travel to this zone and activate your Eagle Eye ability to find clues. Look for glowing tracks, disturbed plants, or animal droppings that indicate the panther's presence. Follow these clues, and they will eventually lead you to the Ghost Panther's location. It's frequently found lurking within the dense foliage of the Blue Water Marsh. Upon finding the Ghost Panther, you have two main choices. You can sedate it using sedative rounds to collect a sample for Harriet, which contributes to your naturalist progress. Alternatively, you can kill it to harvest its legendary pelt and materials, which can then be sold to Gus McMillan for unique clothing items and crafting. Remember to check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other deals to help you stay organized and efficient in your daily life. Happy hunting, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.